How to manage party invitations notifications on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage party invitations notifications on the Xbox Mobile. First go to Xbox and then click on your profile here, and now click here and then click this one, notifications, click on it, and now all you need to do is just click on this one, party invitations, and as you see party invitations has been turned off, and that's how to turn off party invitations notifications on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.